How to add Google Calendar to Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So basically, we can just go in and get any Google Calendar that you have, whether it's your personal one, your business one, it doesn't really matter, and we can just go in and put it in Squarespace. It's very simple, so let's just go in and get to it. So first, I'm just going to go to Account Dashboard, open up the site that you want to add the calendar to. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go to Pages and create a new page. Now, this is not necessary. You can really put it anywhere. You can also have it in your home page if you want to. But in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new page, a blank page, and name it Google Calendar. Oh, sorry. There we go. Okay, so in Google Calendar here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Edit. And basically, we just want to add a section. Now, it could be a blank section or whatever. In my case, I'm just going to go for a blank section. And for the time being, we can just go ahead and save and exit out of here. So basically, what I just did is create some space for the calendar. Like I said, again, you can just go ahead and put it in any page that you like. So if you want it to be in the home page, all you need to do is just go into home page, click on Edit, go down here, add a section, blank one, for example, and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on save and now exit out of here. And basically all we need to do now is just go ahead and open up a new browser tab, and we want to access the calendar that we want to add to our Squarespace. So in my case, I'm just going to be using this account, and I'm just going to go for Google Calendar right from here. You can just click on Google Apps and search for it from here. Or you can just go to the search box and search Google Calendar, whichever suits you. Open it up, and basically we want to be in here. So now that we're in the actual Google Calendar, which this is just a test one, all we need to do is just go ahead and click on the settings tab right at the top here. So settings menu. Go ahead and click on settings menu. And then just go ahead and click on settings one more time. So once you open up your settings here, all you need to do is just go ahead and you can see from the bottom left, you don't need to scroll. You can actually see settings for my calendars. This is pretty much what we need to do. Go to the calendar that you want to add to your Squarespace. Now I'm just going to go for this one because this is just the test one that I'm using. Click on it, and then once you click on it, you will get even more settings. The section that we want is Integrate Calendar, which should be the second to last here. So click on Integrate Calendar. And then from here, what we need to do is just go ahead and find the embed code, which is right over here. So just go ahead and highlight the entire thing. You can just do Control A just to be sure, and right click, copy, or Control C. So just go ahead and copy the embed code for this specific calendar. It's very simple. Once you did this, we can just go ahead and click to, or just go back to Squarespace. But by the way, just need to note, you can actually go ahead and customize more things about the code if you would like to as well. So you have a lot of things that you can manage here. For example, the width and height, you can change it from here, and it's just going to be changing right away for the actual code itself. But I'm just happy with this, so I'm just going to copy the code as it is and just go back to Squarespace. From here, I can just go in and go to the page that we just created or any empty section. Click on Edit, go to the section, click on Add Block from the top left, and we just want to add the code block. Once we have the code block, align it wherever you want. Double click on it, delete this, and just paste in the code that we just copied. Give it a few seconds here, and it should actually pop up, as you can see. You can just go ahead and try to change the size of it, change where you want it to actually be, and it's going to look like this. Now, you can't really remove the things at the bottom, I believe, or maybe you can from the customized panel. I'm not really sure. Navigation buttons. A view menu, I'm not really sure. Maybe it's the border, actually. Okay, so no, maybe you can actually remove it, but you may need to play around with it. I'm not really sure how to remove these at the bottom, but you pretty much added your Google Calendar in Squarespace. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.